Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the Google Play Scraper works. So this new tool is basically for people that want to get emails from the different apps that are on the internet, on the Google Play Store. So to access it, as you know, like we have all these different modules, you can find it on more tools, and then the Play Store app information scraper. So this tool is going to allow you to find apps related to any kind of niche. Right now there is like over 500,000 kind of apps depending on whatever you want. So let's say that you're going to promote a product about health. So you type health and then you click on search. So this is going to find you all these different apps that are promoting something about health or whatever. So these people basically want to make money as same as you. So you can just do is you can just go and offer to some of these, not everybody, because like there is like some big names like Google, Samsung, but there are other ones like people doesn't know about it, but they have a lot of downloads. So let's say this one calorie counter. Imagine that you wanted to get more information about this app. You click getting more information, and this is going to get you the number of reviews, the update, when was the last update, the app size, and how many installs. This is the website for this app. And if it had an email, developer email, it would show up there. So let's just find another one. So that's another one, and so on. You could just keep finding other people that contain emails and everything, that contain apps and emails. Not all of them put emails. This one put an email. So imagine that I want to contact this guy, or let's just find another email more. So imagine that I have these two guys. I could do more if I wanted to, and I could contact all these guys just by exporting the email. So this gets exported. I copy this information, put it on my email sender, and then I send them the same template. Hey, my name is whatever your name is. I'm promoting this product. I would like you to put it on your app, and I will give you 50% of the results of these of the sales of this product. So basically, you will work as an affiliate. You will find a way where you will track how many visitors and how many sales you make for that product that you're trying to promote as an affiliate, and basically you will give them 50% of that or 30% depending on what you agree. And this could be either for that, or it could be for to promote your own products or to promote anything that you want. Basically, this is going to get you the apps based on your keyword, as you will find like a lot of apps there. You will find how many installs it has. So what is the reach of that app? So to see if it's convenient for you to contact this guy or to contact this company. And if it is, then you will get the email for them, and then you can just contact them directly. And this way you could get a lot of information, and you could make other people promote your products. Obviously, you pay a part of how much you win, but it's free traffic. I mean, you just have to talk to them, and then like you will make money with their app, and you give them money, you keep money, and everybody wins. So if you want to get this app, to be able to contact all these developers, you can get it on autopostingtools.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.